Hello, Center 2. So you're almost finished with math for today. You're going to play this little Jelly Bean 3 game, and you're going to go ahead and click on play. The instructions are you're going to take the colored jelly beans from off the tree and put them into the correct bar home. So, like for example, I would put the purple jelly bean into the purple, and it will start filling up the bars. I need to remember the amount that I'm putting in there, or I can use each one to count. See, 1, 2, 3. I already put in 3. This will be 4. Each person that clicks on the jelly bean or open the game will get a different amount of jelly bean. Nobody's jelly beans will be the same. You're not going to get the same amount of number. Each person gets something different. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and oopsie, you're not supposed to put it there. I need to put it into the yellow house. Oh my goodness. Okay. Froze for a little minute on me, right? So you're going to go ahead and complete this, but when you're finished with all the jelly beans, the end of the game is going to ask you some questions. For example, it might ask you, how many yellow jelly beans are there? How many more yellow jelly beans than purple jelly beans are there? So when you're finished sorting and classifying all the jelly beans into the correct home, you will then have to answer questions, right? I think this is the red one, or is it? It looks red to me. Oh, it's orange. Okay. Yes, so go ahead, complete it, finish it, answer the questions, and then you move on to the next slide. Bye.